In this tutorial, we will learn about concatenate function. So concatenate function is in text category. Here select this. We got the function argument dialog box. And here it says it joins several text string into one text string. That means you can join two text into one text string. So here we have text 1, text 2. So if we want to join the text, here you can type the text within quote or you can select a cell reference. Here you can see we got Shaha in the result. Now in text 2 we can put this B2. We can see we got a Shaha computer and a new text box appears. So whenever you add a new text box will appear. Now click OK here. You can see we got Shaha computer, but we do not have a space between these two words. So how to do that? You can do this in two ways. Equal to concatenate first text, comma, then space, that is within quote we have to put a space, comma, the second text, bracket close, enter. So we got Shaha space computer. Or you can do in this way. Here type equal to concatenate, type here within quote Shaha space quote close, comma, the second, bracket close and enter. Then also we got Shaha computer. Here we have put a first text within quote and second quote we have given a reference. And now here if we have to put like this, concatenate first character, comma, second character, bracket close and enter. You can see that this is the number but it is stored as a text because it is left aligned. And here if you want to do like this, computer -5, then equal to concatenate, select this, comma, within double quote hyphen, comma, this reference, bracket close and enter. Similarly here also in case of number, equal to concatenate first reference, comma, oblique within quote, comma, this cell. Then we got 10 out of 10. So in this way we have to use the concatenate function to join two text string. Now we will understand this second example. Here we have the first name, class and the roll number. But we want all this text in a single cell where in the first line we need the name and the second line class and roll number. So how to do that? So here type equal to concatenate this cell, comma, this cell, comma, this cell. Then bracket close, enter. So here you can see Manoj Shaha X5, we get like this. But here if you want to add here another thing, that is class hyphen quote close, comma, then here also you have to put one space, okay, and here within quote roll hyphen quote close, and before roll you have to put a space, and here also you have to put one comma, then enter. Now if I drag this and wrap this text, you can see this text are wrapped, but it is not in that way we want it. We want the first name in the first line and class and roll number in the second line. So how to do that? If I decrease the width of the column, then you can see this name are not in a single line. So let's make it bigger, and here we will do it in another way. So how to do that? So let's do it here only. Here we will put a line break after the Manoj Shaha or class, before the class. So here remove this space, and here we have to use the char function. Type char 10 bracket close comma, press enter. Now drag this till the end. Now you can see all these names are in first line and class and roll number are in second line. So in this way you can use char function to split into two lines and concatenate to join all this text. So you can solve this problem with the help of concatenate and char function. Now we will learn the third example where we want to join the first name and last name. You may get a data that is in separate column. The first name is in separate one column and last name is in another column. And now you have to join this text and create a full name. So how to do that? Type here equal to concatenate, select this cell, comma, a space within quotation, comma, and the last name, bracket close and enter. So we got the full name. So in this way you can join this first name and last name and convert it into a full name. And in the last we will learn about fourth example where we will use different functions within concatenate. Let's see. So type here equal to concatenate within quotation today is space quotation close comma. Now we will fetch today's date with the help of today function. Today bracket open bracket close, then bracket close for concatenate. Now press enter. So here we can see we got today is 44512. So this is a date value of a date. So we have to convert this date value into a date format. So for that we have to convert this today into a date format. So type here text, then this is the value, then here type comma. Now the date format is dd -mmm -yyyy quotation close and enter. You can see today is 12th November 2021. So in this way you can use the concatenate function to solve your real life problems. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and if you have any queries regarding this tutorial you can write me in the comment section. And I hope you like this video, so please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.